Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Zaman and you are watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you upload a theme restaurant website and how you easily edit your website with the help of Elementor. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your WordPress dashboard. After that, you click on Appearance, click on Themes. Click on Add New Theme. Upload theme, choose your restaurant theme. Click on install. And then click on activate. Here you can see the theme is activated now. Here you can see this theme requires the following plugins. So click on Bing installing plugin. Here you can see required plugin. You can install one by one. Plugin installed successfully. After that, you can click on plugin, install plugin, select all plugins and click on activate and click on apply. So now you can see all plugins are activated now. You can just click on appearance, click on import demo data. Here you can see your theme. Click on import demo data. Click on continue and import. So now you can see import completed. Visit site. Here you can see our restaurant website. Also you can see about this page and contact us page. Here you can see your menu, burger, pasta, pizza and drinks. So now you can easily edit your website. Just click on edit with Elementor. And now here you can see best quality food. You can just click on it and change your heading here, and after that you can click on button. Here you can see explore our menu. You can change easily your button text here, and here you can see add your button page link, and here you can see the play button. Click on it and here you can see and add a URL of your video here. You can also play autoplay, mute, loop and player control. Mode is branding and show info, and you can also adjust your alignment. And here you can see the choose your best category. Click on it and here you can also change your heading and text here. After that you can just click on burger, and here you can see you can add a link of your category, burger category, and you can just click on open in a new tab. And you can change a burger title, and also you can change a pizza slice. Here you can also add a link of the category of pizza slice. Here you can change your image. Just click on it and change it here. Here you can see why choose us. You can just click on it, and here you can see why choose us. Change your heading and change your text. Here you can just click on it and change your picture, add your text here, and change your button title here and add a link of your button. You can also add a pricing and heading and text here. You can just click on it. Heading, you can change a heading here, goes flop, and also change the text of here. And the price, you can see here, you can change your price here. So this is the same way, and you can click on your image, category image, click on family. You can see family package dish. You can just click on it, and here you can see the package title here and the subtitle of the popular food package here. And you can change your image here. You can also change a family package dish here. You can also change this picture. Just click on second, and you can also change a third one. You just click on third bar, just scroll down, and you can also change a button text here and link your more photos pages. After that, you can change your team member picture. You can just click on it and choose the image and upload your image here, and add a name of the chef and add a subtitle of the chef, and click on and add a link of your chef categories. You can also change the same. After that, you can just click on it and add a show icon. Here you can see web icon chef, and you can change a added number and professional chef. Just here you can change a title here. After that, you can see, so now here you can see the form. Just click on it, and here you can see use this form a short code. You can just go back your dashboard and click on contact, and here you can see the booking form. You can just add it here, and you can just copy the short code of your form. Just copy it and search here short code. Here you can see, just drag and drop here and add a short code here. You can see the form is now applying. Just click on update. I don't need, I just delete the form. And you can change easily the photo and your testimonial. The first testimonial, you can just click on first, change the name, change the text, and second one, you can just click on second one, change the title and change the text here. So now you can see your latest blog. Just click on it, and here you can see the categories. You can just select your category and just go back your dashboard. Here you can see, click on post, and here you can see how to make dinner bite and good for dinner. Here you can see how to make bite the good for dinner. Here you show your blog here. You can see post total 3, you can use 4, 5, it's up to you. And you can change your collaboration partners logo. Easily you can just choose image and change your logo. So now you can see your website here. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.